Yo, what up YouTube fam? It's your boy Mike doing another review for you guys again. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Galaxy Gear Active 2 watch. And we're just going to do a little preview on how it looks like, how it feels, and what it looks like to be on you as well. So have a look. Chee! So guys, here it is. This is the review of each of the new Samsung Galaxy Active Watch 2s. So here's a side-by-side comparison of what they look like compared to the Galaxy Active Watch normal, so not the 2 but the 1 obviously. So this just gives you an idea design of how different they are. So the original band actually comes with a rubber band on the Active Watch 1, whereas the 2 now have the same sort of bands that the Series 4 watch have, which is like the leather sort of band. So what you'll notice here is you can see the difference between the buttons as well. So you still have the back button and also still have the home button, but you can see the back button is a lot bigger than the other as well. So looking at it side by side, so this is the 40mm versus the 44mm. Okay, or is it the 42? Yeah, 44mm. So you can see there's a big difference in physical interface size. Virtually the same side by side, but as you can see they come in these two colors. So they still come with the typical rose gold, as they do with the rose gold bezel, and they obviously come in the very nice sleek black sort of color as well, with the black leather band as well. So I found it pretty interesting that they didn't go with the sports loop band, they actually went with the leather band. So they're trying to have a bit of a combination of both the Series 4 bands and the new active bands as well. So they want to have that sort of feel where it has the sport feel and also still have obviously the nice leather professional sort of look as well. But do keep in mind the bands are interchangeable, so don't stress about that if you're not so happy with the bands, depending on what you do on a daily basis as well. So here is another look of what's to come. So here is what the Active Watch feels like. So this is the Active Watch 1. That's what it feels like on the wrist. And now you've got the bigger Active Watch 2 on the wrist. So if you're wondering what it looks like and what it feels like, here is a little comparison for you and how it looks. So someone like me has got a slightly smaller wrist. I would rather the smaller size, but as you can see, they do come with obviously the little strap bands where you can strap it in. So they finally have one that's fitted onto it, so the one that doesn't slide. So you can see that they've got 2 of them there, so that way whenever you're walking around, most of them do sort of slip out, but now they have 2, they're less likely to pull out and come out anytime. So the interface is still quite nice, still has the rotating on-screen bezel. Okay, so the Series 4 has the rotating bezel, this one has an on-screen rotating bezel. It's not as good as I thought it was going to be, but it's still a little bit handy if you want to have that Series 4 feel, but for me it doesn't really make a difference. Still the same notification buttons, still works exactly the same, quite smooth. But yeah, it's quite nice. So now we'll go for the next one. So now we've got the rose gold band on, so this is the slightly smaller one, so this is the 40mm. So as you can see, it's a lot better fit on my wrist, because you can see the interface, it sits a lot nicer on my wrist as well. So here's a comparison on both side by side on the wrist. So if you want to physically see how it looks like, this is it. You can't get any more closer than this. And guys, hopefully I hope this helps you make this decision. So guys, that was my review on the Samsung Galaxy Fit Active Watch. If you like that preview, if you like what you saw, I hope that helps you in the purchase if you're looking to purchase it. And give you a brief rundown of how it's going to look on your wrist, how it's going to feel, what both sizes look like side by side as well. If you like this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments below. Sure.